So we're riding to her favorite house in the whole wide world.
Going
Back to the house
at night, because
we're gonna see how hood is it really at night.
that same homeless guy is going to be there.
He's not homeless.
He's not homeless.
The one that you think is homeless, but he's not homeless.
He
He
so
just lives
homeless.
there.
He's in here. He's homeless. He might be in it.
Look, here's projects. We're getting close. We're getting close.
Project! Yeah.
How hood is it?
I don't have my boots on.
Well, we're not getting out.
Well, I mean,
No, we're no. We're not getting out. We're not getting out.
why not?
We're not. No. Wait, we're coming close. We're not getting out. Just get that out of your head. We're not moving. We're not getting out.
This is so cute here.
I know. Remember,
Oh my God.
this was like the church.
This was the church and like the fire, in their little fire station right
Yes,
here.
that's it. Remember, that was it. It's just you keep going. I think it's gonna be up on the left. I think it's up on the left. No, this is the fire station right here. That's the fire station.
On is.
That's-
we're coming the other way.
Yeah, we're coming the other way. How hood is your hood house
How
at night?
good is the? Oh, wait, wait.
Yeah, because it was next to Vine.
That's right.
That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
Look, there's a homeless guy. There he is.
Ah!
See, it's not that hood.
It is.
It's kind of hood.
It's good.
They're
It's
hood.
good. Hey.
See, that was nice.
It's not.
It's not that hood.
They might tell some drugs.
Look, all right, we're gonna go around. Remember this? Seriously, like this was kind of like sketch back here. We're gonna go back here.
Oh God.
Remember this one? But see, look, they're fixing up this one up next door. That one's getting.
I can't see. Oh yeah.
He's gonna run up and be like, "What y'all want to buy?"
Would die.
So
Now I got the camera on. They won't come over here.
they will. Cat. Rear. Oh look, he's black. It's a cat. Rear.
Okay. Whoa. Well, this is close. Oh my God.
All
Whoa.
right, we're just-
Whoa. Whoa and stuff. Whoa and stuff. Whoa. Ow! My God! You almost creeped. It's fast. No, oh my God. What is even happening right now? Well, I mean, I don't see drug dealers out here
I
right now.
don't.
I don't see. It's really not that hood.
Look at the chimney right there.
I don't see a chimney.
Look at that
Does someone
chimney
live
where
there?
that house is like gone, and there's nothing but the chimney
wait,
left.
Was that here? We'll have to look at old footage. Was that there?
I don't know.
Wow.
I don't
Whoa.
think it was.
Well, they don't
like
cut their
that.
grass either. Why isn't they cut their grass?
I don't know.
We were here in the wintertime last time.
It was, and that's why like you couldn't see all these vines. It was like at least kind of like deadened around
Whoa.
there so you could see his house.
Babe, it's seriously overgrown.
Like that.
Ha-
This is hood of all hoods right here. This, except the house.
somebody live it. Look, there's lights on there.
Yeah. Sorry.
Well, you have neighbors now. That's kind of good. I guess.
This house looks a little better. Remember somebody like got out in their pajamas or something and was like,
I think you were the one in pajamas.
I was not in my pajamas.
Look, is this the house?
This is it.
Look how much it's overgrown.
I
Wow.
know.
Look at those. Oh my gosh.
This
Like,
was like, remember
have some neglect,
do you
okay?
remember the backyard? It was
That
all,
you
like,
were
salads
trespassing
and stuff
in.
the
That you were
backyard?
trespassing in.
I was not
You were
trespassing.
trespassing.
I was prospecting.
You, whatever you want to call it.
So, oh, it's all grown up out here.
Wow. There's like moths coming in the car.
Oh,
My
yeah.
flashlight. Look at that. Look, it was not going all the way up on this.
There was a Sprite bottle on the front porch. I wonder if it's still there.
Well, it probably is, along with like, some Mad Dog 2020 or something. Well,
That poor sad house.
so turns out, I mean, it's kind of hood, but it's not like that
really
sketch.
not.
I mean, now it's a Wednesday night. Now the key, you hit this piece like Friday, Saturday night. We'll see what happens.
Yeah.
In your hood,
Sometimes
the sun goes down on Friday till Sunday morning comes up. Like, I mean, like.
And nobody talks about what happened.
Nobody observes the Sabbath in your hood neighborhood, okay? That's all I got to say.
I mean, but this is not, it's really not that bad.
No.
Same homeless guy is around. I think he's wearing the same t-shirt.
That was not the same.
I think it was.
Wow, that chick was singing. Wow, what is going on here?
I can hear the girl singing.
Sketch. Yeah, she was singing. She was singing
There's somebody
hardcore.
sitting out there on the front of that porch. And nobody there. That's not
Well, okay.
I look like a
Okay, so
bandit.
this little hood. It's a little hood.
It's just a little.
It's a little hood.
But I mean,
What are you gonna expect, right?